else can we throw away?
Oh! Oh my god!
Aviva, do you still want this?
No!
I'm scared to see what else we'll find.
What's in there? Alright, that's okay.
Wow.
What the? A dumpling?
Dumpling. Alright. Time for the three. Probably shut it off now. I don't think we'll find anything else that's surprising. I could be
You
wrong.
won't be surprised. Look in the drawer. No, look in the dairy thingy.
What?
The dairy.
Oof.
Ooh. Oh!
What was that? Let me back away first. Okay.
Okay.
Coast is clear. I don't know what those are.
They look like peanuts. Baby food? What the? Ew! It was leaking!
Was it?
Yeah. This smells so gross. Alright,
Yeah, turn it off.